What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be changing out the tail light bulb. It's going to be the same thing if you're doing the whole assembly as well on a 2007 to 2014 Chevy or GMC, YUKON, Suburban, DENALI, Silverado, Cadillac, ESCALADE. It's all going to be the same thing. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor and click the bell and subscribe so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and turn on our headlights and have a friend hold the brakes or just wedge a stick. And we'll come back here and it looks like this top one on the left is out. On the right you can see this top one is much brighter. It has two filaments on that bulb. Okay, so there's just two Phillips head screws holding the tail light in. One up here and one down here. We'll just take both of these out. Now the whole tail light should come out. On some models you may need to loosen this top screw right here on this little cover right here to loosen that up. But on this one it should you just pull it. It's kind of snug in there, but you just kind of pull it and wiggle it and it just unsnaps. It's just pushed in by these two little clips there and there, top and bottom. Alright, so we know it's that top one. You just twist the assembly to the left and it unsnaps. Go ahead and pull this bulb out. Yep, it's all burned out. Here's our new package of bulbs. We'll take one out. I like to hold it in a paper towel not to get grease on it. We'll just snap that new one in. There we go. Then we can put that assembly in and turn it clockwise to lock it in. Then we will flip the assembly around. And let me give you guys a view of those little tabs. They're going into that hole and that hole down there. Just line it up and it just snaps in. Then we can fit those two Phillips head screws back in. Tighten them down good and tight. There we go. And put that other top one in if you guys unloosen that one. And we can come back inside and turn on our headlights and put our stick back in the pedal. Come back here and check that top bulb out. Wow, that is bright. So they are both working, guys. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.